Hi everybody, this is Kendra from Tech Teaching. Today we're going to see how to install our local website using Wampserver and WordPress. With some few steps we're going to see how it works. So have a set and enjoy the tutorial. First, you need to install Wampserver, but before that let's download the necessary file for that. You'll find the link to download it in the description. Now, let's jump to the installation part. It's so easy, just click right with your mouse, and then choose Install as administrator. The process will begin. Now choose how you want the program to be installed on your machine. It's so recommended to let it as default to avoid any problem after, like we will see in the video. You'll need to be a little bit patient till the process ends. It's gonna take a while, just let it do what it's needed to be done. The next process is to choose your default browser. For me, I always work with Google Chrome. It is faster, but you can choose your desired browser. Just follow the steps shown in the video to browse the root directory where your browser is installed. Now some errors will be displayed. Don't worry, just click OK. In the next video we will know how to figure out those errors and solve them all at once. The installation process is about to finish. All you need to do right now is to click Next and OK, and if any error message shown, just hit OK. In the next video, we will see how to resolve the problem of missing DLL, and we will manage it quickly with few steps. Just be patient, we're coming soon. If you find this video useful, don't forget to subscribe, like, and why not to share with your friends. Thanks for watching and for your precious time. See you in the next video.